In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Perplexity AI. When you first open the Perplexity website, you'll see a pop-up inviting you to download Comet. Click the Download Comet button. If you're already signed in, you can also simply click the Install button in the bottom left corner of the page to download it directly. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and find the Comet installer file. Double-click the file to start the installation process. A setup window will appear. Click Start Install. The installation will only take a few moments. Once it's done, click Launch Comet to open the browser. You'll then have the option to import your bookmarks, settings, and passwords from Chrome, or skip this step for later. Then you can type your name here and choose your avatar. Also at bottom, you can switch light or dark mode. After that, Comet is fully installed and ready to use. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more Perplexity AI tips and tutorials.